up, Goody Gang? Welcome back to the channel.
We've been so busy this week. This is our first time to get together and be on the beach and catch some rays.
We're gonna take you guys through our day in the life, so hope you guys enjoy. Just got off of work for an hour or so. I had a couple clients this morning. I work at Stretch Zone, so I stretch out people kind of like physical therapy, chiropractic, personal training, a little bit of mix of everything. So it's 9:30. We had an early morning, got in my early oats for pre-workout, and we're about to hit a back and bicep workout. And I'll take you guys through a day in the life. So enjoy.
I inherited beef for you. Credit my on my back when you was in need of soldiers. And I'm gon' shine, homie. Yo, so Nick Columbine.
Motivation, it comes and goes, guys, but you know, discipline, that's forever. If you really want something, you're gonna go get it, or else you don't want it bad enough. That goes for anything in life.
You got all that muscle, but you can't open the...
Can't open the... No, none of that.
Yeah. Let's see what you do. Let's see what you do after.
Gotta get the chunk. All right, favorite snack at the moment. We got our Ghost protein cereal, and then for like the milk, I'll put in some almond milk, mix in some Alpha Lion cinnamon swole, because, oh shoot, they're actually vascular. I surprised myself. I'm trying to get swole. And also put a little bit of peanut butter protein powder in it as well. So my favorite snack at the moment, we're gonna chop this up. We just got done hanging out at the beach. So yeah, we're gonna eat a little bit and run you guys through the rest of our day. I think we're gonna go play some ping pong. Last time we got that on video, I think I made a fool of myself, but we're gonna try for round 2 on this one. So.
Oh. Tell Jack he needs a new camera. Falls off.
Let us know what you're making there.
Well, I don't want to eat my dinner now, so I'm improvising with some processed chicken breast from Walmart.
What else are you having with it?
I'm having some lettuce and some Dijon mustard. Maybe you can open this. I'm not gonna use any of this. I'm gonna make my own. Use some Dijon.
What just happened?
I can't. I don't know. It was not colored yellow though. You can cut it. You can cut this out. I swear by this stuff.
Show the camera.
G. Hughes for life. I haven't tried this one, the Carolina sauce.
So tell the camera, it looks like you're on a cut if you're eating a salad.
I am on a cut. I've actually been limiting my carbs. I try not to eat them. I try not to eat any carbs with my meals, and then just have like my rice cakes and yogurt and jam that Jack put me on. I eat like a protein bar, that's some carbs during the day, but I'm trying to cut. So I'm gonna eat like 3 or 4 pieces of turkey or chicken turkey. The sauce absolutely makes this. Who would have thought lettuce and chicken breast together by itself would taste so good? Cheers.
You can always make a cut work when you find your sauces.
Mm-hmm.
You will always rely on sauces in a cut.